Welcome to Origami Back to Basics, Episode 3. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to fold the origami bird base, which is used for origami models such as the crane, as you can see here, and many other origami sculptures. So, the first thing you need to do the origami bird base is a square sheet of paper. So, I have a tutorial, I think it's Origami Back to Basics Episode 1, where I show you how to fold a square sheet of paper used for origami out of regular printer paper. And also regular origami paper, such as this, works perfectly fine as well. But if you don't, this may be a great option for you. So once you have your square sheet of paper, the first thing you want to do is fold the diagonals. And so, as I said in my previous video, mountain folds are going to be shown with a straight line. And if you don't know what a mountain fold is, check out my previous video, Origami Back to Basics Episode 2, where I describe mountain folds and valley folds. And a valley fold will be shown with the dashed lines. So, fold the diagonals is the first step. So here we go. Sorry, it's on the other side. So you want to fold the bottom edge to the left edge here. As you can see, this creates a mountain fold. There you go. You have a triangle. You want to unfold that, and then fold the bottom edge again to the right edge, like this. So this creates an X. So once you have that, once you've folded the two diagonals, you want to turn your paper over, and you now want to fold the cross in the middle. So the way you do that is bring the right side of the paper over to the left side of the paper, and make sure it's very even when you do that. And you want to fold in the middle. And that creates a valley fold in the middle. The next thing you want to do, here, let me mark the valley folds for you. Next thing you want to do is fold the other valley fold straight down the middle, like this. Make sure you line the edges up well. So that creates a line, a valley fold in the middle of your paper. Let me mark that again. So now what you want to do is rotate your paper so the mountain folds are in a kind of cross. And then you want to take the edges like this, pinch the mountain folds, and turn it into a triangle here. And you can see the two valley folds there, and then the other mountain fold down the center. So now, to create the bird base, you want to fold this little pocket here. You want to fold the pocket over and line up this valley fold with this valley fold over here. And it gives you kind of a pocket right here. And then you want to flatten that pocket out. And occasionally you might have to smooth out the paper in the middle. Just to line up the edges and then fold. And that's part of your bird base done. Right there. As you can see, we have two flaps here. And then you want to turn the paper over. And you're going to do the exact same thing. Fold over the pocket. open the pocket up, flatten out the paper inside, because it might be a little bit bent, and then you want to collapse the pocket like this. And that gives you a kind of diamond shape, which is the bird base. So as you can see, the flaps are on the bottom, and the point is on the top. And so this origami bird base, I think I said this in my previous video, can be used to make the crane and many, many other types of origami models. So stay tuned for more. So thank you for watching. This has been Maxigami YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.